When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.